Okay, I'm going to show you how you can change the hours for the categories. In other words, as you can see here, lunch appetizer is only available from 11 to 3 o'clock. Dinner is available from 5 to 8:30. Happy hours from 3 to 5, and dinner is from 5 to 9. Actually, let me fix this one. I think I put the wrong one here, but I'll show you how to fix this one too, because dinner is right here, not here. So I may have put that by mistake. Let me see what it is. So it's lunch appetizer, happy hour. Oh, happy hour. Okay, dinner, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, I think I put this twice. I'll remove this one. Okay, I think I see what I did. So anyhow, I'm gonna fix this one and also show you how to put the custom hours for the categories. The reason why we want to do that is because we don't want somebody to coming to the website and ordering lunch appetizer at 10:30 in the morning or at 3:30 in the afternoon, because it's only available between these hours. So it's important that we prevent that from happening. I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing we do, of course, is we log into the back end of the website. Okay, I'm gonna do something different. You may not have to do this ever again, but I have to do this because I made a mistake, and I put this twice. So let me first fix that. I go to pages, and then I wait for the page to load, and I'm gonna go to the order online page. Order online page is this one because it says order online. See, I go here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and press. My mistake that I made was on the header, right? See, the way you can tell where the text located is right here. See, this is the header, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this one. So I'm gonna go here on the back end. As you can see, when it says header and text, so I'm gonna click on this one right here and then fix that. This one is the menu below it. This one right here is actually all of this. But let me just fix this one first. So this one you want to leave alone. Make sure not to touch this one or delete it or remove it, uh, or or make any changes to it, because this is where your menu is. Let's go ahead and fix the header first. So I'm going to go ahead and press the three lines on the far left of the header image. And then as you can see, it says order online, and then it says subtitle. Subtitle is the one below it right here. This is called the subtitle. So all I'm going to do is just remove dinner from here, because that's not dinner. I have dinner twice. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And then once I remove that from the back end of the subtitle, I'm going to press save and exit. Okay. Once I press save and exit, I press update. The reason why I'm pressing update is because I want these changes to be saved. So now that I've done the update, I'm going to refresh this page. Now, when you see that I refresh the page, it looks different. The reason why it looks different is because I made those changes and I updated it. Actually, I noticed something else. This is a squiggly line. That's fine. Okay, that's not a big deal. Okay, so we have another one here too, so it's no big deal. But if you want to change that, you can. So let's go ahead. Let's get right to the custom hours section. We have lunch available from 11 to 3. So how do we allow our customers to only order from 11 to 3? What we do is we go over here. Okay, anything that's related, anything that's in this area is always done from here. Clover orders, right here, settings. Now to enforce the custom hours, we have to create a custom hour. So you'll notice a new feature here called custom hours, okay? So we're gonna do custom hours for categories, right? Not order types. Order types is the delivery or pickup. We don't wanna do this one. We wanna do only for categories. So press this button right here, okay? And once you press it, it says add custom hour. So we're gonna make a rule. Our first rule is lunch rule. We'll just call it lunch, okay? Lunch hours or something like that. And now we're gonna find out what the lunch hours are. Lunch is 11 to 3, 11 to 3. Okay, so we have three of them. 1, 2, 3, right? 3. So because they're the same, so these three. Okay, so we're gonna do 11 to 3. So how do we do 11 to 3? We just make one right here, 11 to 3. Where's 11? Yeah, 11, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, I wish there was a duplicate button so I can just copy this again and again. But it's okay. I'll do it real quickly. All right, 11 to 3. Okay. Yep, I know it took a while for me to do that, but that's how you do it, okay? And I'm pretty sure they're open 7 days a week, right? Yeah, okay. So 11 to 3 every day. Now that you did that, you press add. Okay, add. Now I did that one. Now I'm going to do one more. This one is called, what is this one called? Happy hour. Okay, so I have to make one more for happy hour. Remember, I know it takes a while because you have to add your hours, but once you do it one time, then you don't have to do it again. And I'll show you what I mean by that because even though I did lunch, I'm going to apply it to both of these, this one and this one, okay? So let me do this one now. This is happy hour. Where's happy hour again? Happy hour is 3 to 5. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and do happy hour 3 to 5. 3 to 5. p.m. to where's the 5 p.m.? Yep, 3 to 5. Let me see. Okay, let me do this one to 11, 3 to 5. Okay, 3 to 5. Sorry it's taking a long time. I wish there was a copy button, but maybe in the next update we'll add a copy button, but that's how it is right now. 3 to 5. Okay, just two more. Two more and then we're done. 3 to 5. And then one more, 3 to 5. Almost there. 3 to 5. Okay. So we got 3 to 5, 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 3 to 5. Okay. And of course we have to do one more for dinner, right? All right, so hang in there. I'm almost done. Dinner hours. What is dinner hours again? Dinner hours is 5 to 9. Okay, 5 to 9, 5 to 9. Okay, let's do 5 to 9. Okay, I'm almost done. Just 2 more days to go. Actually, 3 more days to go. 5 to 9. Okay, let's. Oh, I already did this one. This one, 5 to 9. 5 to 9. Yep, 2 more days and I'm done here. All right. Where's 5 to 9? 5 to 9. Whoops, I put 9, 10, 9, and then 5 here as well. 5 p.m. Oh, this one, sorry, 9 p.m. Okay, so we should have 5 to 9, 5 to 9. Okay, now here's the other step that's very important. Okay, this is what happens is sometimes they create this and then they forget to do the final step. See, we have it here, but now the final step is the most important one. We have to tell it when it applies, okay? 11 to 3, we press this button here, right here, see it? Press it one time, and then it says 11 to 3. Let me just put 3. Okay, 11 to 3. It says use custom hour for this category. We say yes, and then it's going to ask me which one, lunch, happy, or dinner. So you're probably wondering, where did this come from? this comes from here. Remember we created it a few minutes ago? It comes from here, okay? So what you create here will show up here. So if you have a, maybe a summer hours, then it will show here. But because I didn't create summer hours, you won't see it here. It only shows it here if you created it over here, okay? That's very important to know. So if you don't see it here, that means you either did a order type hour or something else. It has to be a category hour. Okay, but anyhow, this one is lunch. I click lunch, save. I go back. See the back button is over here. Make sure to press the back button. And then I'm also going to do for lunch regular too. Okay, again, I just want to also mention, you can add description here too. You can say, this lunch tastes great, or something like that. Again, that's optional. You don't have to do that, but you can. Let's talk about this one though. This is the most important one we're doing, lunch. I'll go a little bit faster because I know I'm going a little slow, but I'll go a little faster. Happy hour, and we know what that one is. We turn this on again, and we select happy hour. Press save. And then we go back again, and then we repeat the steps. And then we have another happy hour. Okay, so let's do that one too. We press save. We go back, and then we have 2 more dinner, and we're going to be done. Dinner. The last dinner. Dinner is 9 to 5, so we select dinner from here, okay? And then we press save. Okay, and that's how you do the dinner. Okay, so I want to mention something very important here. See how, let me go back. See how this one says all day? Okay, this means all day while the business is open, not all day for your, that after you close. All day meaning your business hours. So this one, you don't have to change it because it's not custom hours. You just leave it the way it is, okay? It means this is served all day. So like in kids menu or something, kids. I see kids menu, okay. Kids menu, okay. All day. So a name on Clover is kids menu, and then I just copy that. So that's what that means. If it says all day, you don't have to do custom hours because if you don't choose this, what's going to happen is you can use the Clover's hours. So what are the Clover hours? If you want to find out what your Clover hours are, you press custom hours. Custom hours. You press store settings here. Where to go? Where does store settings go? Right here, store settings. You scroll down, put your mouse over this one. It tells you your Clover hours. See it? This is the hours your business is operating with. Oh, I just realized they're closed Monday and Sunday, so I didn't have to do Monday, Sunday. But anyhow, I didn't know that, but it's still okay because this will take extra precedence over the custom hours. So if they're closed Monday and I put custom hours from 11 to 3, this will take priority, okay? So Clover business hours always takes priority over the regular hours, over the custom hours, okay? So yeah, that's it, and that's how you do that. Hopefully this video proved helpful and made things easier for you. And just to mention a few other things, you can hide stuff, you can rearrange stuff. How do you rearrange stuff? Right here, reorder, okay? You can reorder it. Same thing with modifiers. You can move it up and down. You press the plus sign, you can rearrange the items. See, you can put tofu at the top, chicken at the bottom. Again, I don't want to mention these things, but you can. And then here's the video tutorials. And then this page is very important. I always try to tell people about it, but they forget. Right here, you press feedback help. This one right here, this is very useful. You'll find this very helpful. Look, when I click on it, let's say I want to hide an item. I just type the word hide, and it shows me how to hide an item. See, it says press this, this, and this, and hide an item. I want to hide category. See, it tells me right away. So let's say I want to do custom hours, and because I forget maybe 2 years later or 6 months later, and I forgot how to do it, just come here and type it, and it'll tell you how to do it. Okay, all the information is here. All right, thanks again. Hopefully this video helped out. Thank you.